Hello friends. In this video, I will show you how to print an Excel spreadsheet to PDF. For this, in ribbon, select Page Layout. Then, if we directly click Set Print Area, it gives us a caution to select a range of cells. Hence, first select the range of cells that you would like to take print. Then click Set Print Area. Press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. Then, Print window appears. Select Print to PDF option. Then select appropriate paper size. Here, I am selecting a 4. Then, look at the preview on the right side of the window. Then, press Enter. It will ask Save Location, give a name to your file. That's it. Now you have the PDF.